I'm Alton Cooper, and I drive a 2017 Nismo 370Z sitting behind me, and I'm super excited because I just ordered my Motordyne catback exhaust. The car already has the Motordyne arc pipes as well as Z1 cold air intake, so I'm looking forward to the new power that I'm going to be able to get with a little bit more exhaust note. So anyway, I have items that are on order now. Some of the products have started to come in, and I have one of them right here. This is the Motordyne Mid-Pipes with high flow cats. One of the things I found with going with the arc pipes is that the fumes are kind of obnoxious. It's not good. So I ordered the mid-pipes, and you can have them specially made to have the high flow cats put in the mid-pipe. So let's see what we got. We'll do a quick unboxing. All right. I've heard a lot of people say that Motordyne is pretty expensive, but it's worth the sound that you get and the increased performance. I'm looking forward to finding out for myself. And so I'm very happy with the sound I get with the arc pipes. Can't wait to see what it's going to be like when I add the rest. All right. Okay, so packaging. So it's definitely well packed. As you can see, we got molded foam. We got some pops. Ouch. And my oh my. So one of the things I read was you should not touch with your hands, because your hands, the oil on your hands will leave fingerprints, things like that on your pipes. And once you fire them up, you fire up your exhaust, once that heat goes through, it kind of burns those oils into the surface. So if you want it to kind of keep a nice clean look, don't handle it with your bare hands. So let me grab some gloves. I almost feel like I'm gonna do surgery. So we got the gloves going. Let's see what goodies we have in the box. So well packed, as we showed you before. I am super excited, man. This is better than I could expect. So these are the mid-pipes. Yes, sir. So there you go. As you can see, the high flow cat has been welded into the mid pipe. And if you look there, we got cats, high flow cats. Very nice. So I don't know if this is left or right yet. I'll have to figure that out once I get the rest of the exhaust. But we will take and slide that down. And we will put this one here. And then let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's starting to get excited. This is going to be nice. This is going to be nice. So I don't know my orientation just yet. I have a feeling this is passenger side, this is driver side. And that's what it looks like. But either way, we have Motordyne mid-pipes, high flow cats have been welded in, so we're ready to go. All I need is the rest of the system. It should be here next week. When it gets here, I'll unbox that as well. We'll check it out, and then we'll also capture the install. All right, so True Sim 23, That's my Instagram, TRUTHZERUM23. Check me out, Motordyne.